So the North Springs Improvement District is currently doing an enhanced disinfection program from July 15th to July 29th. And users may notice a slight change in taste or chlorine odor in their tap water. So I'm going to test the chlorine levels with my regular pool chlorine tester. And keep in mind that according to the CDC, chlorine levels up to 4 milligrams per liter, or ppms, parts per million, are considered safe for drinking water. So I'm going to go ahead and test it and see where we're at right now. Whoa. So that's parts per million of my tap water chlorine. So I'd say between 3 and 5. That's pretty high.